Welcome to Nikit Engineers, your go-to for welding automation and robotics solutions. Today, we're exploring food processor enclosure assembly with TIG welding using our state-of-the-art Mini Profile Welder. At Nikit Engineers, we understand the importance of precision and efficiency in every weld. That's why we've developed the Mini Profile Welder, a masterpiece of innovation tailored to meet the demands of modern manufacturing. Equipped with advanced TIG welding technology and integrated wire feeding capabilities, our Mini Profile Welder ensures seamless welding operations, even on complex geometries like the food processor enclosure you see here. With Nikit Engineers' Mini Profile Welder, you can trust in the consistency of each weld, delivering superior quality products every time. Elevate your manufacturing processes with our innovative solution. For inquiries and consultations, contact us today. Stay tuned for more insights into our innovative solutions. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the latest updates. Thank you for watching.